What if I told you a man with no money, no degree, not even a real vehicle ended up saving over 5,000 lives, and he did it on a second-hand bike, not for fame, not for reward, but because his mother died in his arms, waiting for an ambulance that never came. This is not fiction, it's real, and you have probably never heard it. In a remote village of West Bengal, surrounded by forest and broken roads, lived a humble tea garden worker, Karimul Haque. No hospital nearby, no ambulance service, only people suffering in silence. One night, Karimul's mother complained of chest pain. He panicked. He begged for help, but no ambulance came. He cried her in his arms, running from village to village, but it was too late. She died in his lap because help never came. Silence for 2 seconds. That moment broken him, but it also gave him a purpose. He looked at his old Bajaj motorcycle and thought, if there's no ambulance, then I will become one. No fancy equipment, no medical training, just a heart full of courage. He attached a structure beside the bike, carried a first aid kit, and whenever someone needed help, he rode through mud, rain, night, and jungle. He did not sleep sometimes, did not eat for hours, but he never said no to a single emergency. And over the next 2 decades, that one man with that one bike saved more than 5,000 lives, all without charging a single rupee. Villagers start calling him Bike Ambulance Dada. But here's the most beautiful part. In 2070, the Indian government awarded him the Padma Shri, one of the highest civilian honors. And when the media asked him, "What do you want now? A new home, a hospital?" He smiled and said, "Just a better road so I can reach people faster." He did not want comfort, he wanted speed to save more lives. Karimul Haque, a name you might not find in textbook, but a name written in the heart of thousands. He did not wait for the system, he became the system. So, what's stopping you? You don't need to be rich, you don't need to be degree, you don't need permission. You just need to care enough to act. Because one man on bike become hope for thousands. And maybe, just maybe, you can become the reason someone chooses to keep living. This world doesn't need more heroes in caps. It needs more heart like Karimul's. If this story moved you, don't just watch, share. Please, let the world remember the man who became an ambulance. Thank you.